Okay guys, here what you have to do. You have to take this out. This one here, it's under the door. As you can see, there's one here and one over there. It's a first time it's difficult to find screws. You need to put the window all down. You need something long. It's 5 millimeters. You must lay down and take some LED flashlight or something, but I will try to show you, but I'm not sure that it can be seen with this phone I'm recording to. No, I can't. No, there's no chance you can see this inside. You have to take some extra power LED torch. Okay, what I suggest to do. What I done, I put some tape, duct tape, and make this line here and there, so you can know how much you adjust your windows. My car has most noise from the passenger side on the highway, but I do the same for both sides. It takes about 5 minutes for both sides. On the internet you can find some different type of adjustment. Somebody put some paper here like this and then measuring, but I think this is the better way. Sorry for my English, but you will understand what I'm saying. The most difficult thing is to find these screws underneath the door. I'm sorry I can't record that because this telephone is not so good, or I don't know, I can't see it. But the important thing, you must put the window down when you're searching for those. Also, there is some tutorial on the internet, but nothing. I didn't find anything on YouTube. So now you can see my video, and I hope that somebody have this on this car done. Cheers.